Hi guys, I just wanted to say this is like a sort of get ready with me. Um, yeah, so this is my granny dress, my Oma rokkie. I do. This is my cheap Pep 80 rand plakkies. Oh, if my grandma were alive now, she would have had a fit. You don't wear those plastic shoes. Those make your feet stink. Those shoes are making your feet stink. It's plastic shit. Put a few dollars extra, buy yourself something neat to wear. I don't know why, but I always fold up my dirty clothes and then I put them in the laundry. Because I do my socks like this because then it can't get lost when I wash them. I love this. Even when I was using, I always did this and took care of myself. But some days I just couldn't. I didn't have any energy to do anything. I was so sick. I'm quickly going to wash my hands. So I'm going to pause. I'm back. I'm back with the crab. Yeah. Guess who's back? Oh. Mona's back. Tell your friends. I went from a size 3 to a size 5 in 3 months. So, yeah. Because the shoes is black, I didn't put this black. I'm not going to do my hair today. Oh, this is a spray. But I do have Lace, the blue one, and the arm roll, but I prefer to use this. It just smells a lot nicer for me. I have to hurry now. I'm done. I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna go and brush my teeth, and then I'm done. Because I'm so sick, I don't put a lot of effort in, but I do manage to just take care of myself. My face, my body. So yeah, I don't put a lot of effort. I don't pluck my eyebrows. I do nothing of that kind of things. I'm all natural. Sometimes I do feel like makeuping and stuff, but that's when my girly parts hits me. Now I look like a little farm girl. This going to the dustbin. That's already done. I separate my things into little groups. It's just easier for me. Otherwise it feels overwhelming and then I just leave the whole thing. I'm done. Just for those who wonder, I do have a mirror where I do these things, but I don't use it. Yeah. Thanks for getting ready with me. Bye, guys. May you have a blessed day.